Welcome to the John Tyler Library. Today's tutorial will show you how to utilize the citation tools available in resources like QuickSearch. To access QuickSearch, we will use the main search box on the library homepage. Today we'll do a search for Abraham Lincoln. When you see your results page, you'll have various types of materials available to view. To find the citation for the individual materials that you find, it's quite easy. Just click on any of the tabs below the title of the document, for instance, Request this item, Locations, Details, Tags and Reviews, or Virtual Browse to find the Action menu. By opening one of these tabs, we can find the option for Actions on the right-hand side. If we select this option, you will find a link for citations at the bottom of this section. By selecting this option, you will receive an APA, MLA, or Chicago version of the citation. To begin the citation process, select the style that you need, then select the citation text. Once you've selected the text, you can right-click and select Copy, and then paste this citation into a Word document for your works cited or your reference page. Depending on the type of resource, the citation may change a little bit. If we close our current book resource and move down to one of our articles, we can see how the citation will change. Click on any of the tabs to find the Actions section. Once we find Actions, we can select the citation and see how the citation will vary from an article to a book. Copying and pasting these citations to your works cited or reference page is a great way to start the citation process, but please be aware that these citations may have small mistakes. Once you've finished copying and pasting all the citations that you need for your research assignments, you can double check them against style guides and other resources that the library has available to make sure that your citations are in the proper format. To find these options, we need to get back to the library homepage. If we scroll to the top of our QuickSearch page and click on the link for Library Home, we can come back to the JTCC Library. From this page, we can visit the Research Help section and scroll down to Cite Sources. On the Cite Sources page, we can find information about why we cite, and then also tips and services that will help us to generate and format proper citations. We recommend using the OWL at Purdue to help double check your citations that you've copied from the resources. If you open up OWL at Purdue, it will give you many options. Look under the most popular resource section to find both the APA and the MLA formatting and style guides. When you open one of the guides, even more options will appear. The first page will give you general formatting and APA style. To the left-hand side of the page, you will find a list of links to help you decide which type of citation and how to cite it. For example, the first citation that we copied from QuickSearch was a book. If we select the reference list option for books, we can see all different examples on various book formats that we may encounter and need to cite. If you have copied and pasted a citation, you can look at these examples to make sure that your citation does not contain any mistakes and it follows the prescribed method of citation by APA or MLA. The other citation that we copied came from an article. To double check that citation, we could select the Reference List Articles and Periodicals section to find different examples on how to cite articles from different types of materials. OWL has a ton of information on both APA and MLA style formatting and citations. Please feel free to explore this resource to find everything it has to offer. If you need additional help, please feel free to go back to the John Tyler Library homepage, view our MLA or APA handbooks that we own in the library, or use the Ask a Librarian chat service to ask us about citation. There's always someone available to help. Thanks for listening to the QuickSearch citation tutorial. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to use the Ask the Librarian chat service or contact us. You can find the library contact information in the About Us section on the top of the library homepage. Have a great one.